Hey, it's Corpsey, and I'm here with one of the starring actors in a movie. He is the grandson of one of the most famous comedians in history.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Was that a speech impediment when you would do the woo woo woo, or was that something, where did that come from? Did you ever find out?
When they used to make his drinks too strong, he used to go, oh, woo woo woo.
What would Curly have said about this?
About this film?
Yeah.
Oh, you would have loved it. I mean, the cast, the crew,
You
the
would've?
catering.
Thank you, catering.
Everything's amazing.
Hey, you look like a taxidermist I once knew.
Ah,
Yeah,
you didn't?
I don't want to ruin my makeup.
I mean, I've done a lot of coke in my days, but this is ridiculous. I still have my septum, well, part of it. I burned most of it in college.
Show rep on Brad Silver, thank you, and Johnny Williams. Thank you, guys.